Throughout history, there are stories of beings whose births were nothing short of miraculous, created directly by the power of Allah, without a father or a mother. We begin with Adam, peace be upon him, the very first human, created by Allah from the clay of the earth. Adam had no parents, being the first of his kind, formed by Allah's hands and brought to life by his breath. The Holy Quran tells us that Adam's, peace be upon him, creation was a direct act of Allah, who said be, and he came into existence. Next we have Hawa, peace be upon her, created from Adam, peace be upon him himself. Without a mother or father, she too was a direct creation of Allah. She was brought into being as Adam's companion, showing the divine design for human relationships. The miraculous she-camel of Prophet Salih, peace be upon him, was another being with no parents. In the ancient civilization of Thamud, the people demanded a miracle from Prophet Salih, peace be upon him, to prove his message, and Allah responded by splitting a rock, bringing forth a living, breathing she-camel, sent as a test for the people. Another miraculous being is the ram that appeared in place of Prophet Ismail, peace be upon him. When Prophet Ibrahim, peace be upon him, was commanded to sacrifice his beloved son as a test of his faith, Allah replaced Ismail, peace be upon him, at the last moment with a ram sent from heaven. This ram had no father or mother but was a direct creation symbolizing Allah's mercy. Finally, we have the serpent created from Prophet Musa's, peace be upon him, staff. When confronted by Pharaoh's magicians, Prophet Musa, peace be upon him, was commanded by Allah to throw down his staff, which instantly turned into a living serpent. This was no ordinary snake, but a miracle created directly to display Allah's power and challenge the sorcery of Pharaoh's court. These five beings, Prophet Adam, be by Hawa, the she-camel of Prophet Salih, the ram sacrificed in place of Prophet Ismail, and the serpent from Prophet Musa's staff, are all examples of Allah's miraculous ability to create life beyond human understanding. Each carries a deep message of faith, obedience, and the awe-inspiring power of Allah. Follow for more fascinating insights from the Quran and Islamic history.